a blessed day, learners. Get ready and prepare yourselves as we embark on a journey of learning and enjoyment in this video. Today, we will be studying physical science through the Let Reviewer with 10 questions in set 6b. Stay safe, and may God bless you always. Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
During a refrigeration cycle, heat is rejected by the refrigerant in A. Compressor, B. Condenser, C. Evaporator, D. Expansion valve. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The best answer is B. Condenser. Here's an explanation of each choice. A compressor, the compressor in a refrigeration cycle compresses the refrigerant, raising its temperature and pressure. However, it does not reject heat. Instead, it helps to circulate the refrigerant and increase its energy level for heat rejection in the next component, the condenser. B. Condenser, the condenser is the component where heat is rejected from the refrigerant to the surrounding environment. As the refrigerant passes through the condenser, it cools down and condenses from a gas into a liquid, releasing the heat absorbed from the evaporator. C. Evaporator, in the evaporator, the refrigerant absorbs heat from the space or substance being cooled, causing it to evaporate from a liquid to a gas. This is the opposite of heat rejection, it's where the refrigerant gains heat. The expansion valve, the expansion valve reduces the pressure of the refrigerant before it enters the evaporator. It doesn't play a role in heat rejection but helps in controlling the refrigerant's flow and reducing its temperature before the evaporator absorbs heat. In summary, the condenser is where heat is rejected in a refrigeration cycle. A compressor, ang compressor sa isang refrigeration cycle ay pinipiga ang nagpapalamig, pinapataas ang temperatura at presyon nito. Gayunpaman, hindi nito tinatanggihan ang init. Sa halip, nakakatulong ito sa pagpapalipat-lipat ng nagpapalamig at pagtaas ng antas ng enerhiya nito para sa pagtanggi ng init sa susunod na bahagi, ang condenser. B. Condenser, ang condenser ay ang bahagi kung saan ang init ay tinatanggihan mula sa nagpapalamig patungo sa nakapaligid na kapaligiran. Habang ang nagpapalamig ay dumadaan sa condenser, ito ay lumalamig at namumuo mula sa isang gas patungo sa isang likido na naglalabas ng init na hinihigop mula sa evaporator. Si evaporator, sa evaporator, ang nagpapalamig ay sumisipsip ng init mula sa espasyo o substance na pinapalamig na nagiging sanhi ng pagsingaw nito mula sa isang likido patungo sa isang gas. Ito ang kabaligtaran ng pagtanggi sa init, dito nagkakaroon ng init ang nagpapalamig. The expansion valve, binabawasan ng expansion valve ang pressure ng refrigerant bago ito pumasok sa evaporator. Hindi ito gumaganap ng papel sa pagtanggi sa init ngunit nakakatulong sa pagkontrol sa daloy ng nagpapalamig at pagbabawas ng temperatura nito bago sumipsip ng init ang evaporator. Sa buod, ang condenser ay kung saan tinatanggihan ang init sa isang cycle ng pagpapalamig. Which of the following correctly describes a refrigeration system? A. Rejects energy to a low temperature body. B. Rejects energy to a high temperature body. C. Removes heat from a low temperature body and delivers it to a high temperature body. D. Removes heat from a high temperature body and delivers it to a low temperature body. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is C. Removes heat from a low temperature body and delivers it to a high temperature body. Here's an explanation of each choice. A. Rejects energy to a low temperature body. This is incorrect because a refrigeration system rejects heat to a higher temperature environment, such as the surrounding air, not a lower temperature one. B. Rejects energy to a high temperature body. While this statement is partially correct, it doesn't fully describe the entire process of a refrigeration system. It focuses only on the rejection of heat and does not mention the key aspect of removing heat from a low temperature body. C removes heat from a low temperature body and delivers it to a high temperature body. This is the correct description of a refrigeration system. The system extracts heat from a cooler space, low temperature body, and releases it to a warmer space, high temperature body, typically using components like the evaporator, compressor, condenser, and expansion valve. D removes heat from a high temperature body and delivers it to a low temperature body. This is incorrect because it describes a process opposite to that of refrigeration, which moves heat from a cooler area to a warmer area. In summary, refrigeration systems work by removing heat from a low temperature body and delivering it to a high temperature body, as described in option C. A. Tinatanggihan ng enerhiya sa isang mababang temperatura ng katawan. Ito ay hindi tama dahil ang isang sistema ng pagpapalamig ay tinatanggihan ng init sa isang mas mataas na temperatura na kapaligiran, tulad ng nakapaligid na hangin, hindi isang mas mababang temperatura. B. Tinatanggihan ng enerhiya sa isang mataas na temperatura ng katawan, bagamat ang pahayag na ito ay bahagyang tama, hindi nito ganap na inilalarawan ang buong proseso ng isang sistema ng pagpapalamig. Nakatuon lamang ito sa pagtanggi sa init at hindi binabanggit ang pangunahing aspeto ng pag-alis ng init mula sa mababang temperatura ng katawan. C. Nag-aalis ng init mula sa isang mababang temperatura ng katawan at naghahatid nito sa isang mataas na temperatura ng katawan. Ito ang tamang paglalarawan ng isang sistema ng pagpapalamig. Kinukuha ng sistema ang init mula sa mas malamig na espasyo, katawan sa mababang temperatura, at inilalabas ito sa mas mainit na espasyo, katawan na may mataas na temperatura, karaniwang gumagamit ng mga bahagi tulad ng evaporator, compressor, condenser, at expansion valve. D. Nag-aalis ng init mula sa isang mataas na temperatura ng katawan at naghahatid nito sa isang mababang temperatura ng katawan. Ito ay hindi tama dahil ito ay naglalarawan ng isang proseso na kabaligtaran sa proseso ng pagpapalamig, na naglilipat ng init mula sa isang mas malamig na lugar patungo sa isang mas mainit na lugar. Sa buod, ang mga sistema ng pagpapalamig ay gumagana sa pamamagitan ng pag-alis ng init mula sa isang mababang temperatura na katawan at inihatid ito sa isang mataas na temperatura na katawan, tulad ng inilarawan sa opsyon C. Which of the following refrigerant has the maximum ozone depletion potential in the stratosphere? A. Ammonia. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Fluorine. D. Sulfur dioxide. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is C. Fluorine, though to clarify, it's not fluorine alone but chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, which contain fluorine, that have the maximum ozone depletion potential. Here's a breakdown of each choice. A. Ammonia, NH, is a natural refrigerant that has zero ozone depletion potential, ODP. It is not harmful to the ozone layer and is often used in industrial refrigeration systems. B. Carbon dioxide, CO, also has zero ozone depletion potential. While it is a greenhouse gas, it does not deplete the ozone layer. C. Fluorine, as part of CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, which contain fluorine, chlorine, and carbon, have the highest ozone depletion potential. When CFCs reach the stratosphere, they release chlorine atoms that break down ozone, O, molecules, leading to ozone layer depletion. This is why CFCs have been heavily regulated and phased out under international agreements like the Montreal Protocol. D. Sulfur dioxide, so, does not have a significant impact on the ozone layer. It is primarily known for contributing to air pollution and acid rain but not for ozone depletion. In summary, fluorine, specifically in compounds like CFCs, is associated with the highest ozone depletion potential. A. Ammonia, ang ammonia, NH, ay isang natural na nagpapalamig na may zero ozone depletion potential, ODP. Ito ay hindi nakakapinsala sa ozone layer at kadalasang ginagamit sa mga sistema ng pagpapalamig ng industriya. B. Carbon dioxide, ang carbon dioxide, CO, ay mayroon ding zero ozone depletion potential. Habang ito ay isang greenhouse gas, hindi nito nauubos ang ozone layer. C. Fluorine, bilang bahagi ng mga CFC, ang mga chlorofluorocarbon, CFC, na naglalaman ng fluorine, chlorine, at carbon, ay may pinakamataas na potensyal na pagkasira ng ozone. Kapag naabot ng mga CFC ang stratosphere, naglalabas sila ng mga chlorine atoms na sumisira sa mga molekula ng ozone, o, na humahantong sa pagkasira ng ozone layer. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit ang mga CFC ay lubos na kinokontrol at inalis sa ilalim ng mga internasyonal na kasunduan tulad ng Montreal Protocol. Sulfur dioxide, ang sulfur dioxide, ay walang malaking epekto sa ozone layer. Pangunahing kilala ito sa pag-aambag sa polusyon sa hangin at acid rain ngunit hindi para sa pag-ubos ng ozone. Sa buod, ang fluorine, partikular sa mga compound tulad ng mga CFC, ay nauugnay sa pinakamataas na potensyal na pag-ubos ng ozone. Which phenomenon is best explained by the particle nature of light? A. Doppler effect. B. Interference. C. Photoelectric effect. D. Polarization. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is C. Photoelectric effect. Here's an explanation of each choice. A. Doppler effect. The Doppler effect relates to the change in frequency or wavelength of a wave in relation to an observer moving relative to the wave source. This can be explained by both the wave nature and particle nature of light, but it is not primarily used to demonstrate the particle nature of light. B. Interference. Interference is a phenomenon where two or more waves overlap and combine to form a resultant wave. This effect is best explained by the wave nature of light, as it involves the interaction of light waves. C. Photoelectric effect. The photoelectric effect, which involves the emission of electrons from a metal surface when light shines on it, is best explained by the particle nature of light. According to this effect, light consists of particles called photons, and when photons strike the surface, they transfer energy to electrons, causing their ejection from the material. This discovery by Albert Einstein provided key evidence for the particle nature of light and led to the development of quantum theory. Depolarization. Polarization refers to the orientation of light waves in specific directions and is explained by the wave nature of light. It involves the direction of oscillation of light waves, not particles. In summary, the photoelectric effect is the phenomenon that is best explained by the particle nature of light, as it involves photons interacting with electrons. A. Doppler effect. Ang Doppler effect ay nauugnay sa pagbabago sa frequency o wavelength ng wave kaugnay ng isang observer na gumagalaw na may kaugnayan sa wave source. Ito ay maaaring ipaliwanag ng parehong wave nature at particle nature ng liwanag, ngunit hindi ito pangunahing ginagamit upang ipakita ang particle nature ng liwanag. B. Interference. Ang interference ay isang phenomenon kung saan ang dalawa o higit pang wave ay nagsasapawan at nagsasama upang bumuo ng resultang wave. Ang epektong ito ay pinakamahusay na ipinaliwanag sa pamamagitan ng likas na alon ng liwanag dahil ito ay nagsasangkot ng interaksyon ng mga light wave. C. Photoelectric effect. Ang photoelectric effect, na kinabibilangan ng paglabas ng mga elektron mula sa isang metal na ibabaw kapag ang liwanag ay kumikinang dito, ay pinakamahusay na ipinaliwanag sa pamamagitan ng particle nature ng liwanag. Ayon sa epektong ito, ang liwanag ay binubuo ng mga particle na tinatawag na mga photon, at kapag ang mga photon ay tumama sa ibabaw, naglilipat sila ng enerhiya sa mga elektron, na nagiging sanhi ng kanilang pagbuga mula sa materyal. Ang pagtuklas na ito ni Albert Einstein ay nagbigay ng mahalagang katibayan para sa likas na butil ng liwanag at humantong sa pagbuo ng quantum theory. Depolarization. Ang polarization ay tumutukoy sa oryentasyon ng mga light waves sa mga partikular na direksyon at ipinapaliwanag ng wave nature ng liwanag. Kabilang dito ang direksyon ng oscillation ng light waves, hindi particle. Sa buod, ang photoelectric effect ay ang kababalaghan na pinakamahusay na ipinaliwanag sa pamamagitan ng likas na particle ng liwanag dahil kinabibilangan ito ng mga photon na nakikipag-ugnayan sa mga elektron. Which of the following statements about ammonia, NH, in refrigeration systems is true? A. It contains chlorine, which contributes to ozone depletion. B. It contains bromine, which is a key element in ozone depletion. C. It has no ozone depletion potential, ODP. D. It has high ozone depletion potential, ODP, due to its chemical composition. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is C. It has no ozone depletion potential, ODP. Here's an explanation of each choice. A. It contains chlorine, which contributes to ozone depletion. This is false. Ammonia, NH, does not contain chlorine. Chlorine-containing compounds like CFCs are harmful to the ozone layer, but ammonia is not one of them. B. It contains bromine, which is a key element in ozone depletion. This is also false. Ammonia does not contain bromine, which, like chlorine, is present in some compounds that contribute to ozone depletion. Bromine is found in certain halogens, not in ammonia. C. It has no ozone depletion potential, ODP. This is true. Ammonia is a natural refrigerant with zero ozone depletion potential. It does not harm the ozone layer and is often used in refrigeration systems as an environmentally friendly alternative to synthetic refrigerants. D. It has high ozone depletion potential, ODP, due to its chemical composition. This is false. Ammonia's chemical composition does not contribute to ozone depletion, and it has an ODP of 0. In summary, ammonia, NH, is considered a natural refrigerant with no ozone depletion potential, ODP, making it environmentally safe for the ozone layer. Ito ay naglalaman ng chlorine na nag-aambag sa pagkasira ng ozone. Ito ay hindi totoo. Ang ammonia, NH, ay hindi naglalaman ng chlorine. Ang mga compound na naglalaman ng chlorine tulad ng mga CFC ay nakakapinsala sa ozone layer, ngunit ang ammonia ay hindi isa sa mga ito. B. Naglalaman ito ng bromine na isang pangunahing elemento sa pag-ubos ng ozone, mali rin ito. Ang ammonia ay hindi naglalaman ng bromine na, tulad ng chlorine, ay naroroon sa ilang mga compound na nag-aambag sa pag-ubos ng ozone. Ang bromine ay matatagpuan sa ilang mga halon, hindi sa ammonia. C. Wala itong ozone depletion potential, ODP, totoo ito. Ang ammonia ay isang natural na nagpapalamig na may potensyal na zero ozone depletion. Hindi ito nakakasira sa ozone layer at kadalasang ginagamit sa mga sistema ng pagpapalamig bilang alternatibong pangkalikasan sa mga sintetikong nagpapalamig. D. Ito ay may mataas na ozone depletion potential, ODP, dahil sa kemikal na komposisyon nito, ito ay mali. Ang kemikal na komposisyon ng ammonia ay hindi nakakatulong sa pagkasira ng ozone, at mayroon itong ODP na 0. Sa buod, ang ammonia, NH, ay itinuturing na isang natural na nagpapalamig na walang ozone depletion potential, ODP, na ginagawa itong ligtas sa kapaligiran para sa ozone layer. Why is ammonia, NH, considered environmentally friendly in refrigeration systems? A. It contains bromine, which reduces ozone depletion. B. It does not contain chlorine or bromine, which cause ozone depletion. C. It releases harmful ozone-depleting substances. D. It contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is B. It does not contain chlorine or bromine, which cause ozone depletion. Here's why ammonia, NH, is considered environmentally friendly in refrigeration systems. A. It contains bromine, which reduces ozone depletion. This is false. Ammonia does not contain bromine, and bromine is actually harmful to the ozone layer when present in certain compounds like halogens. B. It does not contain chlorine or bromine, which cause ozone depletion. This is true. Ammonia is a natural refrigerant that does not contain chlorine or bromine, the key elements responsible for depleting the ozone layer in compounds like CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, and halogens. C. It releases harmful ozone-depleting substances. This is false. Ammonia does not release any ozone-depleting substances, which is why it has an ozone depletion potential, ODP, of 0. D. It contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. This is also false. Ammonia is not considered a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions compared to synthetic refrigerants like hydrofluorocarbons, HFCs. In summary, ammonia is considered environmentally friendly because it does not contain chlorine or bromine, which are responsible for ozone depletion, and it has zero ozone depletion potential, ODP. Naglalaman ito ng bromine na binabawasan ng pagkaubos ng ozone. Ito ay mali. Ang ammonia ay hindi naglalaman ng bromine, at ang bromine ay talagang nakakapinsala sa ozone layer kapag naroroon sa ilang partikular na compound tulad ng mga halon. B. Hindi ito naglalaman ng chlorine o bromine na nagdudulot ng pagkasira ng ozone. Totoo ito. Ang ammonia ay isang natural na nagpapalamig na hindi naglalaman ng chlorine o bromine, ang mga pangunahing elemento na responsable sa pag-ubos ng ozone layer sa mga compound tulad ng CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, at halon. Naglalabas ito ng mga mapanganib na sangkap na nakakasira ng ozone. Ito ay mali. Ang ammonia ay hindi naglalabas ng anumang mga sangkap na nakakasira ng ozone, kaya naman mayroon itong ozone depletion potential, ODP, na zero. Di malaki ang naitutulong nito sa mga greenhouse gas emissions, mali rin ito. Ang ammonia ay hindi itinuturing na isang malaking kontribusyon sa mga greenhouse gas emissions kumpara sa mga synthetic na nagpapalamig tulad ng hydrofluorocarbons, HFCs. Sa buod, ang ammonia ay itinuturing na environment-friendly dahil hindi ito naglalaman ng chlorine o bromine na responsable para sa pagkasira ng ozone at mayroon itong zero ozone depletion potential, ODP. Why is carbon dioxide, CO, not considered a refrigerant that depletes the ozone layer? A. It is a greenhouse gas that does not contribute to global warming. B. It does not contain chlorine or bromine, which are responsible for ozone depletion. C. It has a high ozone depletion potential, ODP. D. It reacts with oxygen to protect the ozone layer. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is B. It does not contain chlorine or bromine, which are responsible for ozone depletion. Here's an explanation of each choice. A. It is a greenhouse gas that does not contribute to global warming. This is false. While carbon dioxide, CO, is indeed a greenhouse gas, it does contribute to global warming. However, CO does not deplete the ozone layer. B. It does not contain chlorine or bromine, which are responsible for ozone depletion. This is correct. CO does not contain chlorine or bromine, the key elements in substances like CFCs and halogens that cause ozone depletion. Since CO lacks these elements, it does not affect the ozone layer. C. It has a high ozone depletion potential, ODP. This is false. CO has an ozone depletion potential, ODP, of 0, meaning it does not contribute to the depletion of the ozone layer. D. It reacts with oxygen to protect the ozone layer. This is false. CO does not react with oxygen in a way that protects the ozone layer. It is a greenhouse gas that affects global warming but has no direct impact on the ozone layer. In summary, carbon dioxide, CO, is not considered a refrigerant that depletes the ozone layer because it does not contain chlorine or bromine, which are the main contributors to ozone depletion. Ito ay isang greenhouse gas na hindi nakakatulong sa global warming. Ito ay mali. Bagamat ang carbon dioxide, CO, ay talagang isang greenhouse gas, nakakatulong ito sa pag-init ng mundo. Gayunpaman, hindi nauubos ng CO ang ozone layer. B. Hindi ito naglalaman ng chlorine o bromine na responsable para sa pagkasira ng ozone. Ito ay tama. Ang CO ay hindi naglalaman ng chlorine o bromine, ang mga pangunahing elemento sa mga sangkap tulad ng mga CFC at halon na nagdudulot ng pagkasira ng ozone. Dahil kulang ang CO sa mga elementong ito, hindi ito nakakaapekto sa ozone layer. C. Ito ay may mataas na ozone depletion potential, ODP. Ito ay mali. Ang CO ay may ozone depletion potential, ODP, na 0, ibig sabihin ay hindi ito nakakatulong sa pagkasira ng ozone layer. D. Ito ay tumutugon sa oxygen upang protektahan ang ozone layer. Ito ay mali. Ang CO ay hindi tumutugon sa oxygen sa paraang nagpoprotekta sa ozone layer. Ito ay isang greenhouse gas na nakakaapekto sa global warming ngunit walang direktang epekto sa ozone layer. Sa buod, ang carbon dioxide, CO, ay hindi itinuturing na nagpapalamig na nakakaubos ng ozone layer dahil hindi ito naglalaman ng chlorine o bromine, na siyang pangunahing nag-aambag sa pagkasira ng ozone. Which of the following statements about carbon dioxide, CO, as a refrigerant is true? A. CO2 has a high ozone depletion potential, ODP. B. CO2 contributes to global warming but does not deplete the ozone layer. C. CO2 is not a greenhouse gas. D. CO2 contains bromine, making it a major ozone depleting substance. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is B. CO2 contributes to global warming but does not deplete the ozone layer. Here's why. A. CO2 has a high ozone depletion potential, ODP. This is false. CO2 has an ODP of 0, meaning it does not deplete the ozone layer. B. CO2 contributes to global warming but does not deplete the ozone layer. This is true. CO2 is a greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming by trapping heat in the Earth's atmosphere, but it does not contain the chlorine or bromine necessary to harm the ozone layer. C. CO2 is not a greenhouse gas. This is false. CO2 is one of the most well-known greenhouse gases and plays a significant role in global warming. D. CO2 contains bromine, making it a major ozone-depleting substance. This is false. CO2 does not contain bromine and is not involved in ozone depletion. In summary, while CO2 contributes to global warming, it does not deplete the ozone layer, making B the correct statement. A. Ang CO2 ay may mataas na ozone depletion potential, ODP, ito ay mali. Ang CO2 ay may ODP na 0, ibig sabihin ay hindi nito nauubos ang ozone layer. B. Ang CO2 ay nag-aambag sa global warming ngunit hindi nakakaubos ng ozone layer, totoo ito. Ang CO2 ay isang greenhouse gas na nag-aambag sa global warming sa pamamagitan ng pagtrap ng init sa atmosfera ng Earth, ngunit hindi ito naglalaman ng chlorine o bromine na kinakailangan upang makapinsala sa ozone layer. C. Ang CO2 ay hindi isang greenhouse gas, ito ay mali. Ang CO2 ay isa sa mga pinakakilalang greenhouse gases at may mahalagang papel sa pag-init ng mundo. Ang DCO2 ay naglalaman ng bromine na ginagawa itong isang pangunahing sangkap na nakakasira ng ozone. Ito ay hindi totoo. Ang CO2 ay hindi naglalaman ng bromine at hindi kasama sa pagkasira ng ozone. Sa buod, habang ang CO2 ay nag-aambag sa global warming, hindi nito nauubos ang ozone layer na ginagawang B ang tamang pahayag. Which of the following statements about sulfur dioxide, is true? A. Sulfur dioxide is a common refrigerant. B. Sulfur dioxide significantly contributes to ozone depletion. C. Sulfur dioxide is primarily associated with air pollution and acid rain. D. Sulfur dioxide has a high ozone depletion potential, ODP. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is C. Sulfur dioxide is primarily associated with air pollution and acid rain. Here's an explanation of each choice. A. Sulfur dioxide is a common refrigerant. This is false. Sulfur dioxide, is not commonly used as a refrigerant. Historically, it was used in early refrigeration systems, but it has since been replaced by safer and more efficient refrigerants. B. Sulfur dioxide significantly contributes to ozone depletion. This is false. So does not have a significant effect on the ozone layer. Instead, its environmental impact is related to air pollution and the formation of acid rain. C. Sulfur dioxide is primarily associated with air pollution and acid rain. This is true. So is a major contributor to air pollution and acid rain, as it reacts with water vapor in the atmosphere to form sulfuric acid, HSO, which falls to the ground as acid rain. D. Sulfur dioxide has a high ozone depletion potential, ODP. This is false. So does not deplete the ozone layer and therefore has an ODP of 0. In summary, sulfur dioxide, is primarily known for its role in air pollution and acid rain, making C the correct statement. A. Ang sulfur dioxide ay isang karaniwang nagpapalamig. Ito ay hindi totoo. Ang sulfur dioxide, ay hindi karaniwang ginagamit bilang nagpapalamig. Sa kasaysayan, ginamit ito sa mga maagang sistema ng pagpapalamig, ngunit mula noon ay napalitan na ito ng mas ligtas at mas mahusay na mga nagpapalamig. B. Malaki ang naitutulong ng sulfur dioxide sa pagkaubos ng ozone. Ito ay mali. Ang ay walang makabuluhang epekto sa ozone layer. Sa halip, ang epekto nito sa kapaligiran ay nauugnay sa polusyon sa hangin at pagbuo ng acid rain. C. Ang sulfur dioxide ay pangunahing nauugnay sa polusyon sa hangin at acid rain. Totoo ito. Ang SO ay isang malaking kontribusyon sa polusyon sa hangin at acid rain dahil ito ay tumutugon sa singaw ng tubig sa atmosfera upang bumuo ng sulfuric acid, HSO, na bumabagsak sa lupa bilang acid rain. Ang sulfur dioxide ay may mataas na ozone depletion potential, ODP, ito ay mali. Ang SO ay hindi nauubos ang ozone layer at sa makatuwid ay may ODP na 0. Sa buod, ang sulfur dioxide, SO, ay pangunahing kilala sa papel nito sa polusyon sa hangin at acid rain, na ginagawang C ang tamang pahayag. What is the ozone depletion potential, ODP, of sulfur dioxide, SO2? A. High ODP. B. Moderate ODP. C. Low ODP. D. No significant ODP. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is D. No significant ODP. Sulfur dioxide, SO2, has no significant ozone depletion potential, ODP. It is primarily associated with air pollution and the formation of acid rain, but it does not contribute to the depletion of the ozone layer. Therefore, its ODP is effectively 0. Ang sulfur dioxide, SO2, ay walang makabuluhang ozone depletion potential, ODP. Pangunahing nauugnay ito sa polusyon sa hangin at pagbuo ng acid rain, ngunit hindi ito nakakatulong sa pagkasira ng ozone layer. Sa makatuwid, ang ODP nito ay epektibong 0.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from our topic on physical science, lead reviewer. If you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hoping that we meet again in my next video, and God bless you always. It is the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.